Again, my name is Andrew, of course, and today we have a new unboxing. Well, this is the Bosch PPR model 250. This is an electric paint roller. Here we've got an easy and a universal, an expert. We are in universal. That means that everyone it can paint with this roller. It only costs 130 euro. Very good price for that. For the average user, definitely. Let's see some specs here, some pictures we have here. Well, definitely I will test that because nothing goes away without testing. And because this is an unboxing, let's see what we have inside. Okay, let's already open it. Well, inside we are going to find some this is, I think, is for the warranty. Bosch, it gives you 1 year plus if you go to his site and sign in with the serial number, and you get 3 years of warranty. Well, next we have some manuals. Well, if you want to read it, it's your choice. Manuals that can help you how to use the machine. For me, it's the first time. I never get something like that. Well, some boxes here. And this is the roller. Okay. Well, you have the tubes that the paint goes inside. Nice. Lovely. Let's see. And this is the actual roller that you will paint your walls in your home. Inside we are going to find an extension tube that it will help you. But first of all, we have some accessories. Definitely you can use it in your roller. Okay. Very nice. Well, that was the unboxing for this Bosch PPR model 250. Bear with me, next video right in the corner you will see how to use this machine. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming. You don't want to miss it. That was all. Thank you guys. Have a nice day. Bye bye.